What's up, nail crew? Let's do an all gel mani over builder gel. I am so excited because I haven't done any tutorials on how to do gel nails. The very first thing I did was I made sure that my builder gel was roughed up really well so that the gel would adhere, and then I cleansed it all with Young Nail Swipe. That is my go-to cleanser for over builder gel or anytime I'm using any type of gel. So you want to apply a nice thin layer of gel base first over top of your builder gel. And you want to do this whether you're using builder gel or doing gel nails on your natural nail. I always like to start, whenever I'm doing my nails, I start with my thumb. And when you're doing gel, you want to make sure that you cure your thumb separately. I made the mistake not long ago of forgetting to cure my thumb separately when I was applying my builder gel, and it did not cure properly. So don't make the mistake that I did and cure your thumb separately. Then you can cure your other 4 fingers together because your thumb won't be like on some weird angle and then not fully cure. So I went in and I applied gel base, like you can see me doing here, to all 5 nails and cure that for 30 seconds. And you want your gel base to be a thin layer. You don't want it to be super thick. The other thing that's a really great tip is you want to flip your nail upside down for about 5 to 10 seconds to let it form that natural apex like you do for builder gel. Once you've cured your gel base for 30 seconds, now you get to go in with your gel polish. You do not want to wipe off any tacky layer from the gel base, as that's what helps your gel polish adhere properly. So I'm going in with my first layer of this beautiful black. You want to make sure that you're capping your edges when you do gels. This is super important when you're doing gel polish, that you cap your edges and then cure it for 60 seconds because it is a dark color. So when I'm doing my gel polish, you want to really make sure that you start like you do with any type of nail liquids. Start a little bit away from the cuticle and push backwards towards the cuticles. Then I take isopropyl alcohol on an angled brush. You can also use acetone as well, and you get any of the product off your skin. You do not want to cure your nails with any type of gel on your skin. So now I'm going through and I'm going to do the rest of my nails because I cured my thumb, and my thumb, like I did the gel base, was cured separately. I did the 2 layers, cured each layer for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to my pointer. This next tip I'm going to give everyone is one that really helped me when I'm applying gel polish. You want to apply the gel polish to the bottom half of your nail first, like you saw me do, and then cap the edges. This way, when you're applying it to the rest of your nail, you don't flood the bottom while you're capping it. So I went and I applied that gel base to the bottom of my nail, capped the edges very gently, and then took more gel polish towards the middle of my nail and then pushed it back towards my cuticles. That's what really allows you to have that beautiful cuticle line without flooding them. So you can see here as I'm doing on my middle nail, somehow I start on the bottom and somehow, I don't know what I got on my brush. I got a fuzzy stuck on it. I must have done it when I was moving my hand back to put it in the bottle, and I'm going through and doing it and kept like trying to wipe it off, but I couldn't figure out where the fuzzy was. I'm doing this at home. I'm a DIY user. Stuff just happens. So I finally found the fuzzy, I got it off, and this way I could finish going through this beautiful black. And you saw there that I took isopropyl alcohol on the angled brush, on the angled eyeshadow brush, and wiped it off from my skin. Like I said before, you do not want to ever cure your nails with gel polish stuck all over your skin. I finished my ring finger and I finished my pinky and then fully cured those. Now I'm going to go through for my second layer, and your second layer is super important as well since you're going to be doing base and top over top of it, and this is what's really going to show on your hand. So I also went through, along with using isopropyl alcohol around my cuticles, I take this pointed nail tool and I traced around the very edges just to make sure that there was no gel left along the side of my nails. Your second layer, that you cap the edges. And I did this really well on my left hand when I was applying my gel polish, but I did not do it so well on my right hand. To be honest, I kind of forgot. It was late at night, I was tired, and I forgot to cap the edges on a couple nails. Capping your edges with gel polish will keep it from peeling up, and that's really important. After you did all this work on your beautiful nails, you do not want your gel polish to just peel right off because you forgot to cap your edges. So once I finished curing the second layer for 60 seconds on all 4 of my for my nails, I go through with gel base and apply that to all of my nails, making sure that with my gel base, I cap the edges as well, and then cure the gel base for 30 seconds. And I also went around again like I did and flipped my hand over for 10 seconds so it could form that beautiful apex that you see on my nails. Now I'm going through with gel top coat and applying it to all of my nails, and going to cure that for 60 seconds. And like I said before, I cure my thumbs separately. So for both the gel base and the gel top, I cured my thumbs separately. The gel base gets cured for 30 seconds and gel top gets cured for 60 seconds. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me do more manis with gels. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out this next video where I did an all gel method mani for dip powders. Thanks so much for joining me today, nail crew.